In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export multiple image slices in Photoshop in this 2026 guide. If you have one image that you want to split into separate parts, Photoshop gives you a simple way to do it with the Slice tool. Once the slices are created, you can export each section as its own image file, which is useful for design work, web assets, or any project where you need an image broken into multiple pieces. To begin, open Adobe Photoshop on your desktop, and then open the image you want to split. In this example, we're working with a single image that will be divided into 3 equal parts, but you can apply the same process to other layouts as well. Next, go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and select the Path Selection tool. If you don't immediately see the Slice tool, click and hold on the Path Selection tool to open the flyout menu. Then choose the Slice tool from there. Now move your cursor over the image, right-click anywhere on it, and choose Divide Slice from the menu. A new window will appear, and this is where you tell Photoshop exactly how you want to split the image. For this example, enable Divide Vertically into and enter 3. That will divide the image into 3 equal vertical slices. If you ever want to split the image from top to bottom instead, you can choose Divide Horizontally into and enter the number of slices you need there. Once your settings look right, click OK. You'll now see that the image has been divided into separate slices. Each one will have its own number, which confirms that Photoshop created them successfully. Now it's time to export the slices. Go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web, Legacy. When that window opens, you may notice that only one slice is selected by default. To make sure every slice gets exported, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all slices at once. After that, choose the file format you want. For this example, PNG works well. If needed, you can also adjust the quality settings before exporting. Once everything looks good, click Save, choose the folder where you want the images to go, and then click Save again. Photoshop will automatically create a new folder called Images. Open that folder, and you'll find each slice saved as its own separate image file. If Photoshop exports only one image, the most common fix is to go back and make sure all slices were selected before saving. You can also right-click the image, choose Divide Slice again, and adjust the number of slices if needed. And that's how to export multiple image slices in Adobe Photoshop Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.